Matcha, a vibrant green tea powder, has captured the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. This unique tea, originating in Japan, has been consumed for centuries in traditional tea ceremonies. Matcha's popularity stems not only from its rich history, but also from its potential health benefits. Unlike regular green tea, where leaves are steeped in water, matcha preparation involves consuming the entire tea leaf, ground into a fine powder. This difference leads to a higher concentration of beneficial compounds in matcha, making it a potent source of antioxidants and other nutrients. The vibrant green color of matcha is a testament to its high chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll is a powerful plant compound known for its detoxifying properties. Matcha also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus. This unique combination of compounds makes matcha a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their overall well-being. Its earthy and slightly sweet flavor has also made it a favorite ingredient in various culinary creations. From traditional tea ceremonies to modern lattes and desserts, matcha offers a versatile flavor profile that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Recent research has shed light on matcha's potential in the fight against cancer, particularly breast cancer. Scientists in England have been studying matcha's effects on breast cancer cells in laboratory settings. Their findings suggest that matcha may have the ability to target cancer stem cells. Cancer stem cells are a small population of cells within a tumor that are responsible for tumor growth and recurrence. These cells are often resistant to traditional cancer treatments. The research suggests that matcha may be able to disrupt the metabolism of cancer cells, effectively cutting off their fuel supply. This disruption can lead to the shrinking and death of cancer cells, including the more resistant cancer stem cells. While these initial findings are promising, it is essential to emphasize that this research is still in its early stages. The studies have been conducted in laboratory settings, and more research is needed to determine if these effects will be replicated in humans. Clinical trials are necessary to confirm matcha's efficacy in humans and to establish safe and effective dosages. Both matcha and regular green tea are derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, but their preparation methods result in significant differences in their nutrient profiles. Regular green tea involves steeping tea leaves in hot water, while matcha preparation involves consuming the entire leaf in powdered form. This key difference means that matcha contains a higher concentration of beneficial compounds, including antioxidants like epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG. EGCG is a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to various health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Matcha has roughly 3 times the amount of EGCG compared to traditionally brewed green tea. Choosing high-quality matcha is essential to reap its potential benefits. Japanese matcha, particularly ceremonial-grade matcha, is considered the gold standard. Lower quality matcha may contain added sugars, fillers, or food coloring. Always check labels carefully and opt for reputable brands that prioritize quality and purity. Incorporating matcha into your diet is simple and enjoyable. The traditional method involves whisking matcha powder with hot water, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, using a bamboo whisk until frothy. For a refreshing twist, try iced matcha by combining matcha powder, ice and water in a jar and shaking vigorously. Matcha's versatility extends beyond traditional tea preparation. Its unique flavor profile complements various recipes, both sweet and savory. Add a scoop of matcha to your morning smoothie for an antioxidant boost, or elevate your desserts with matcha-infused cakes, cookies, or ice cream. Matcha can also add a unique twist to savory dishes. While matcha offers a range of potential health benefits, it is not a magic cure-all. It is essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. More research is needed to fully understand matcha's effects on human health. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help with the YouTube algorithm.